Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how to add Apple Cash to your payment method in 2025. Let's get started. First things first. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Scroll down and select the Payment and Shipping option. Now, you will be prompted to enter your Apple ID password. Go ahead and type that in and hit Sign in the top right corner. Once you're signed in, head back to the Payment and Shipping section. Tap on Add Payment Method. Then choose Credit or Debit Card and then tap Done. And that is it. Your Apple Cash Card is now added as a payment method. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and more helpful content like this. I will see you in the next one with a new fresh content.